So I think three places is what I use. So first, tours. Obviously you use the tours, and that can be like activities, excursions, cooking tours, like the whole shebang. You do those because you have a built-in conversation starter, because you guys are doing that activity together, so you can converse about what you guys are seeing, what you guys are doing, and then you can actually have a conversation, and it feels a little bit more low pressure. Also, you're likely going to be with this person if it's a longer tour for at least a couple of hours, so getting to know the people is a plus during that time. And also, you don't have to have your guard as high because you are in a tour group, you have a tour guide, and then you also have a driver likely, so you have a lower risk of having to always keep your head on swivel, even though you should.